everybody, this is Deb. I am going to show you how to make a real quick project using Couture products and a piece of a heavy cardstock that you can put into a frame that you have, and it's a really super cute decoration to put anywhere in the house, and it just kind of dress things up a bit. So let's get started. So what I have here is just heavy stock or heavy duty cardstock in black, and this is the frame that I have. It's just a frame that I had purchased from a resale shop, really cheap. Cleaned it up, it's just a little bit dusty, and we're going to use this to put our little saying in. So what I do is I take apart the frame, and remove the piece of glass. That's my template for the size of cardstock I'm going to put in there. So I'm just going to set it down and draw a line around it. The scissors. And what I'll do is just cut around the lines so that it fits into the frame. I've chosen this saying here, so blessed. Alright. And I have chosen to use, it's called Coastal. And we're going to stir this up nice. That over there. Next thing that we want to do is take the backer off of the transfer. And remember, side to side, top to bottom, never corner to corner. And we want to fuzz it up. I'm just going to use my pant leg right now. Pants work, shirt works, towel, bath towel, hand towel. Something to kind of fuzz it up so it doesn't stick so much to the paper. And I'm just going to kind of center it. And I'm going to leave enough room where I'm putting the transfer so that when it goes in the frame it doesn't cut off any of the words here. And we'll rub it on nice. Make sure that the paste doesn't sneak under the letters. And we'll take a squidgy, put that in there. Some paste on there. There we go. I'll dip this into a pan of water. And there's the wording. Doesn't that look pretty? And I think I'm going to add, up here, there's just kind of a little bit of a blank spot. I'm going to add one of my flower transfers, and I have many to choose from. Keep them all in a album type thing, and then that way it's nice storage, good place to keep them, and you can page through and see what you want to use. Probably hear my doxies barking upstairs. They bark at everything, even if a leaf rolls by. They are one barky dog. Especially my Sophie. She's my little short-haired red dachshund. So this is the flower transfer, and I fuzzed it up again. And see what I did there? I didn't put the whole transfer on because it won't fit. It's a little bit big, but it's going to look really cool because it'll just kind of peek out from the frame a little bit. And maybe I'll use just a little bit darker blue on there, just for a little variety.
Care of the dogs.
I'm in the middle of a tutorial. I'll be right there. Sorry, we have a carpenter that came over to check out our front window. We're gonna need to replace the molding because it smells moldy. No pun intended. So here's the blue. I'm gonna put that on. So that's what the dogs are barking at. I forgot that we had a carpenter coming over. Oops. But crafts are more important. Oh, there we go. Put that excess back. And I will pull off the transfer. And there we go. Alright, put that in the water bath. And that's what it looks like. This here, you can see the detail that was in the stencil. How it makes it kind of look a little bit distressed there. Pretty cool. Just, it's the type of detail like that that you just can't get with a regular stencil. Put the glass back in the frame. Oops, sorry about that. Put this in there. Should be dry. Sometimes just taking a hair dryer real quick to it will dry it a little bit faster. Yep, all nice and dry. Put it in the frame. Backer on. We'll sand it up. And there you have it. Turned out great. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you again next time.